Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. As you read the title of this video, I am going to show you how to download Android Marshmallow 6.0 .iso file. So what we are waiting for, let's get started. Go to the description of this video. Under the download link section, you will going to find my website link www.iammrhelper.com/how to download Android Marshmallow 6.0 ISO file, or link will be something like that. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will be going to land on this page. Now scroll down a little bit. In my website, under download link section, you will going to find there are two download links of Marshmallow 6.0. Don't get confused. Let me clear your doubt if you are having any. First link is of Marshmallow 6.0 Open Source Development Network, and second link is of Marshmallow 6.0 FOSSHUB. Both link will be going to provide you the same Marshmallow 6.0 .iso file. Sometimes Open Source Development Network OSDN link show the first link as it is a broken link. So in that case, you can visit FOSSHUB link and get your Marshmallow 6.0 .iso file, and vice versa. Let me show you how can you download Marshmallow 6.0 .iso file from OSDN link. Click on it. Now here these two are .iso file that we are looking for. Since lack of knowledge, I don't know does Android OS build for 64-bit architecture or not. As much I can understand with the name of this file, it is an Android Marshmallow 64-bit .iso file. Since I don't know anything about it, so I am going to download Android Marshmallow 6.0 32-bit .iso file. If you know anything about Android Marshmallow 6.0 64-bit ISO file, please do share your thoughts with us. It will be much appreciated. Now click on this link. Now wait for 4-5 seconds. The download will begin automatically. So here it is. Click on OK and download it. Now let me show you how can you download Marshmallow 6.0 ISO file from FOSSHUB. Click on this second link. Press Ctrl+F button to open Find option. Type 6.0-R3. So here it is. We are getting Marshmallow 6.0 ISO file for both architecture, 64-bit as well as 32-bit. Go for 32-bit, but make sure you are downloading ISO file, okay? Click on it. Click on OK and save it. I am going to skip downloading part. It doesn't make any sense to show you my download speed. So see you after my download complete. So my download completed. Let me go to the location where my file has been downloaded. So here it is, Android-x86-6.0-R3.iso file. Now you can mount it or make bootable of this ISO file and install it on your PC. If you want me to show you how to install Android Marshmallow on your PC, or how to install Android Marshmallow on VirtualBox, or how to install Android Marshmallow on VMware, or how to install Marshmallow on any virtual machine, then please let me know in comment box below, and I will try my best to make video on it also. So I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family member, whoever you like to share. It is totally free, and if I forget to mention something in this video, then I will going to add it in my description box below, so always check the description. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please visit my website www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in description box below. All the social website links are in description box below. So kindly visit my website. There are lots of good resources that you might like to use it on your PC. So that's all I plan to show you in this video. So take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.